So here we have a 2021 F150. I believe these are going to come into the country soon. You'll still find a few out in the street now, even from as early as 2017, 2018. They're fitted with arguably one of the best natural aspirated V8 engines ever made. It's got the Coyote 5 litre in it. They're direct injection, 12:1 compression standard. Broad power band, broad torque, and just a crack of an engine. Fitted in the Mustang and lots of other different cars in the US. They put in the F150 because it still makes good torque down low, which is very impressive. They're rated at 295 kilowatts and 545 newton meters of torque. So this one's come to us to get supercharged. So you can't get a supercharger for one of these cars from just around the corner. So we've bought one in through Yellowterra from Whipple, USA. Now this is the new generation 5 twin screw supercharger. Got the world's biggest intercooler in it. They're an amazing thing to behold. It's a 3 litre twin screw blower, which means every rotation of the screws it displaces 3 litres of air. So what we've got here is probably arguably one of the best engines ever made with the latest generation of twin screw supercharging.
The Whipple Supercharger is a no-fuss bolt-on kit that is in and out of the workshop in only a few days, leaving you little downtime with your work vehicle. The system bolts to the factory engine with no cutting or grinding necessary. The Gen 5 Supercharger features an all-new inlet system to further improve airflow capacity. The air goes through massive dual-pass intercoolers for industry-leading thermal efficiency, then down the runners for mind-blowing performance. Not to be confused with dual intercoolers, the Whipple design uses each intercooler twice, allowing incredible thermal efficiency not offered with any other supercharger system. Couple that with the industry's largest dual-pass heat exchanger and high-flow intercooler pump and you have incomparable temperature control. The system also features the inverted supercharger, which nestles the unit in the valley of the block. Although the supercharger is a large 3 litre unit, Whipple have packaged the unit so well that it takes up almost no more room than the factory intake manifold.
While you're here, please take a second to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get all the latest updates from the Horsepower Factory. If you'd like to know more about our packages, go to our website hp-f.com.au. Now it's back to the video.
Here you can see the difference between the factory 90mm throttle body and the massive 132mm Roval throttle body, which reduces greatly the intake restriction created by the small factory unit. Working in conjunction with the larger throttle body, Whipple have also developed a bespoke cold air intake to further reduce any restriction in the intake system while maintaining an OEM look. With everything together, it's now onto our dyno, where we load Whipple's unique PCM calibration that reconfigures all the necessary engine functions, delivering the most power possible safely.
A really impressive result. The car's gone from 228 kilowatts measured at the tyres to 400 kilowatts measured at the tyres. Now we've figured that out. The maths are about 75% increase in power. That takes it to about 515 kilowatts, or nearly 700 horsepower in the old money, and 800 newton meters of torque at the flywheel. Even for a big truck like that, it scoots along quite well, I can assure you. The customer's going to be super happy when he gets it. If you're lucky enough to have one of these F150s and with one of these cracker Coyote engines in it, and want to get a bit more out of it, give us a call, 03 9793 1616.
For more information on all our upgrades, head on over to our website at hp-f.com.au.